A very good afternoon to everyone. Myself Sidra of Standard 7th, and today I am here to share my thoughts on how online learning has helped us during these difficult times. I am immensely grateful to our principal ma'am that she has provided us with this online learning platform. This method of learning has a lot of benefits. Since everything is available online, accessing class materials and submitting work is very convenient. Many students in a classroom environment are not comfortable in publicly speaking. In an online environment, it is much easier to share our thoughts with others. These are just a few advantages of online learning which are available because of our principal ma'am and teachers who take their precious time to educate us. To conclude, I would like to say a big thank you to all my teachers and our respected principal ma'am. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Khan Zahir from Standard 8th of Anjuman Islam Abdul Azim Khatkate, English Secondary School, Washi. We all are aware of the COVID crisis that the world is facing since past 1 year. This crisis has brought the world to a standstill, but I take a great pride in saying that my school has made a constructive use of this as well. We started with our online classes from the month of April, and along with my classes, we have all also conducted many competitions, workshops and activities. Never have we felt that we are not in school because the teachers and principals are constantly inquiring about our health and well-being. All in all, I would like to say that I feel extremely proud to be a part of such an institute where students are taken care of so well. Thank you to our respected principals, Mrs. Zuleika Siddiqui, and teachers for all being there for us.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Shifa Begum from Standard 10P and I am from Anjuman Islam Abdul Azim Khatkate English Secondary School, Washi. When the pandemic started, everything just stopped. In the midst of worrying about how we are going to prepare for our 10th standard board exams, our school started online classes. Not knowing where this will lead, our principal ma'am and our teachers gave their everything to help us study at home. When we thought things couldn't get any better, we got the chance to participate and enjoy extracurricular activities like we used to do in school, like intra-school talent hunt competition and inter-school essay writing competition. We also celebrated Independence Day, Teachers' Day, Children's Day, Constitution Day, and I would also like to mention the efforts taken by our principal ma'am and teachers in making us understand how to use time wisely and attend our lectures, which could help study well and make our future bright. I am so thankful to all of my teachers and our principal ma'am.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Nasim Yasin Khan, parent of Afshan Nur Khan, who is studying in Standard 6th of Anjuman Islam AA Khatkate School, Washi, have got an opportunity to speak over online classes. I, as a parent, is very grateful to our principal ma'am and our teachers who have really taken the responsibility of conducting the online classes. Our principal ma'am specially has trained the teachers for the classes, though it may be educational or any other competition or any other curricular activities. The teachers see to it that the children are all studying well, they are taking part in the other activities. If not, if the children are not interested, the teacher make it interesting and they see to it that the children are taking part in it. The children take part in Kirat competition, drawing, craft, cooking, even photography. And the best part of it is that the prizes are announced online and the results are given very soon. The children who are receiving prize are happy, but the others are also very much happy to see that the prizes are given on time. And they get an idea that we should also take part in it. It's all the hard work of our teachers who keep on encouraging the children to enthusiastically to take part in all the activities. I had never thought that the online classes would be so interesting that our children, as soon as they get up, they wait for the timing of our online classes to catch over the mobile, to see our teachers, to meet the friends, though not physically, but at least online. And all of them are really very happy. Thank you.